Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we have reached the third part of the CCHAT haul as well as the final video, and I saved this one for last because you'll definitely see all of these pieces again in a lot of styling video very soon. Today I just want to talk about each piece and why I like them, as well as it doesn't get better than the fact that each one of these pieces only costs $25.99. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to join our family. Don't forget to thumbs up the video to show me some love, as well as ding the bell to be notified when the next video is out. And as always, I upload 3 videos a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 12 noon Eastern time. Without further ado, let's get started today's video. The first piece that we're going to talk about is this beautiful piece. Isn't that just lovely? It is so, like I said, very Dior. I love the fact that it's see-through. It's going to go so well with a black blazer. Obviously, it's very, I would say, 2022 styling, because that's when Dior came out with this 2021, 2022 horseback riding kind of look that would look really good with the saddlebag. So they have these maxi skirt that honestly went for a little too much for it to be tulle and see-through, something that you always can do for yourself. So this piece reminds me of that. Definitely a cute midi maxi skirt depending on who's wearing it. I am 5'6", so to me it's a maxi skirt technically, though it doesn't touch the ground. But it will be really cute for the winter wear as well as the spring wear, depending on how you're styling it. On today's video, I'm only going to be wearing this black top, black romper, just because it's easier to put on and take off. This way it's fair for all the pieces. Today we're highlighting the bottom that I purchased, not the top itself. So styling video to come. And while we're in the maxi portion of the video, I want to share with you this particular skirt. So this particular skirt has these beautiful pattern of the lily of the valley, the iris, the daffodil, very spring-like. It is in a beautiful color shade of dusty pink. I honestly love how well made it is. It is very durable. The only thing that can make this any better is the fact that it has pockets, right? So I don't know if you share the same love for pockets for me, but anytime you wear a maxi skirt or any kind of skirt in general, if it comes with pocket, it's a bonus plus for me, because it's one less thing for me to carry, especially because I'm a really busy mom. And when I'm picking up my kids, I don't want to have to carry my purse, because I do have to carry the book bag once they get out of school. So I love that there's a spot for pocket for my car keys. So there's 2, one on each side. The pleat obviously is always going to be super classy. I love how heavy it is, so this will be really good for early spring as well as fall look. So I can definitely wear it now, because this dusty pink look really good with the shade burgundy, which is super hot and popular right now. Even with the hunter green, which would give it a more wintry vibe depending how you style. Definitely still really pretty. But I cannot wait to show you this dress, this skirt again in the future video. On to the next maxi skirt. This one has less pattern on the top. Same pattern, same florally, dusty pink pattern on the bottom. The pattern, however, on this is more like magnolia, the bird. Definitely a spring look. Cannot wear this for a fall look. I love how classy it looks. And this material is actually lighter than the other material. This one is more silky and soft versus the other pleated one was a thicker and more fall-like. I really hope there's a new function that you can actually show in video, like the feeling of it. Yeah, but this is really light. Really light. Unfortunately for this one, it does not come with pockets. So the harder material, there is pocket on it, so it gives it a very classy and upscale look. This one is very relaxed, just because the material is like more smooth, soft, and definitely breezy. This is definitely good for like a late spring, almost early summer look. The next maxi skirt that we have, I know, don't get bored of me, is this very well structured, almost like a geometric square. It is super posh. I love the way it's cinched in the waist. I love the detail. Anytime you see like detail like this, it actually makes you look a lot more skinny. The low cut. And then on top of that, for the girls without hip, I like the fact that it's flare out. Some people, they do straight A cut, and I feel like sometimes makes you look kind of frumpy, but if there is a structure to where the top is like tighten in and the bottom flail out, then it'll give you a better silhouette. Zipper is in the back. Very well made hidden zipper, by the way. And once again, if I haven't said it before, it is $25.99 a piece. It definitely gives me a Dior vibe or feel. It really is a little bit see-through, so obviously nude white underwear would be better for this piece. Could be a summer, depending on how you're going to be wearing this with a suit wise, but best for fall, winter, and early spring. So I'm super excited about this next piece. This next piece is literally the best. Remind me of Givenchy. The pleat, it literally feels like a high-end, good quality dress pants. It is literally the same feeling and vibe as the dress pants, except they made it in a pleated skirt, so it's super classy. Definitely, I love the pleat, and the best part about this particular skirt, it has pockets, so very versatile. I don't even mind that it has the word nice on the trim. I don't even mind. I think it's a really nice look. But it does go all the way to the back. Zipper is also another well-made hidden zipper. And yeah, it's such a steal. If this had come in my size in white, I would have purchased it too, but it didn't, so that's why I only got the black one. Definitely a really good fall, winter, early spring, cold spring look for the summertime. Even if this material is very nice and soft on your skin, it's still very heavily, like, it's thick. So I personally wouldn't wear this as a work wear for the winter. So you have actually seen this particular skirt before. I've shown you this in the first CCHAT haul. Go ahead and watch that video if you haven't yet. But this comes in black as well as in the creamy off-white. And then there's also this pink one. And I think this is one of the things that I kind of slipped. I should have just saved all the bottom for this haul, but in the end I was like, I forgot this one. So I want to kind of show you. I love the 3D design, as I have said. Nothing in the back, so I don't know why they do that. I mean, this one, I feel like it wouldn't be that uncomfortable if you had matched the pattern all the way through. This way, if the skirt itself is well patterned, then we can actually wear this will work more often, because a lot of the dress shirt is pretty plain. You need a dress up bottom to really spice up your outfit. And here, I stand corrected, I did have a white one. So I have this in dusty pink, black, off-white, as well as white. When I like something, I really do be buying in every color. And I don't know if I said this in the prior video, but all my skirts are scored. Like, Asia has this thing to where they don't like flashing people. So oftentimes a lot of the skirt I hold up has this layer on the inside that can consider it a skirt. So I actually got this in black, white, as well as dusty pink, and the buttons are already falling off, which I really don't mind because I don't really like the button anyways. But it is a skirt, very well made. Besides, you know, those, and honestly, the button does nothing in this particular skirt. I think it's more like a decor piece, and I don't really like this like decor piece. So when I purchased this, I was going to remove it anyway and put in a nicer button. This would definitely look more high-end if the button were better. With these girly button, it's very Asian-y and it doesn't look high fashion in my opinion. So removing the button is actually a better idea for this particular piece. So it's a skirt, can't go wrong there. Continuing on with this next two skirt. The next two skirt is identical. I have it in black as well as white. The ruffle is fun. And I like the fact that though it looked like a skirt, it is definitely a sheer little thing underneath. So it's really good because then now you don't have to worry about like if you flash somebody when you drop something, pick something up. The ruffle is fun. Give it a little more like definition when you move, or there's more movement in your daily wear. Definitely really comfortable. I find it to be super classy, great with like a dress-up blouse or even a regular blouse. But imagine going to work at the office. Definitely a fun look for the office. And of course, I have to show you it in black. did you guys like the white one or the black one better? Because I couldn't decide which I like more, so I got both. So, once again, it is a skirt. Very, very thin, so it doesn't affect the material. The material itself is very durable and high quality. The only thing that would make this better is if it had pockets, but it doesn't, so it's going to have to do. But I don't know how well this camera is picking this up, but it is definitely a steal. This particular piece I actually have in black and in white. It's a scallop design with a little diamond in between. Honestly, it's a super classy look. It reminds me almost like it's Chloe. It's very girly, it's very Miu Miu-y. So I purchased this with intention of styling it as a dupe video, getting it for less. A lot of these pieces, I realized that it really duped a lot of designer without the heavy price tag. Even in this short, because it's white, I like the fact that they have like inner lining, the same kind of inner lining for all of the skirt actually. Invisible in the back, invisible zipper in the back. Very well made, great material. And I do once again have this in black. It's just lost in the pile of clothes that I'm supposed to review. Just know, I have it in black as well. And that, my friend, is the end of the CCHAT haul. I hope you enjoy this. And I hope you look forward to the styling video, because it's not what you buy, it's how you style it that really gives these pieces life. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next video. If you haven't joined our family, why? Join our family by subscribing, as well as thumbs up the video to show support, and ding the bell to be notified in the next haul and video. Something I purchased from Vietnam, 6 stole. I think I should get some more credit for being able to bring the bag over as well and not having the bag damaged. Okay, so when I went to Vietnam, there was